Hey, it's the Nerd with a Wrench here. I'm going to do a oil change on this GMC Suburban. It's a 1998 K1500 4x4 5.3 liter engine. First time ever trying this, so here we go. So as you can see here, I've got it on these ramps. I also, just because I'm paranoid and I've never been under the car like this, I put some jack stands up just to give me a peace of mind. There is my oil pan. You can see there is some sort of leakage going on here. I'm not sure if that's cause of my low oil pressure. I'm also seeing this connector here that I'm not entirely sure where it goes, but it's not plugged into anything. It doesn't look like it has been for some time. So that may be an issue. Also noticing some other fluid leaks around. Not exactly sure what those are. Have to diagnose that at a different time. But that's the bolt we're going to be going for to drain the oil. And the filter is right up there. It's a 15 millimeter socket, I'm hoping. So here we go. Okay, so most of the oil has drained out. Next we have to loosen up that filter and get that off. It's going to drip a little bit more when I pull that out. Then we'll put the new filter on, put the drain plug back in, and fill her back up and see what she does. Alright, so this is what happens when somebody gets overzealous with tightening up the oil filter. It makes it a pain in the ass to get off. And we're running reinforcements because this sucks. Okay, so a quick note, whoever did the oil change, it was a local place here in town that did the oil change last. They broke the cardinal rule of tightening the oil filter on and made it way too tight. We had to mangle the hell out of this thing just to get it off. So, note to self, when you go and do an oil change, when you put that oil filter back on, hand tight, and then if you have your wrench, do it like a third of a turn more, and that's it. Otherwise, you will be kicking yourself later and you'll have to get all sorts of funky stuff out to try and get this damn thing off. Okay, so we got the oil filter finally off. That is the aftermath of that
carnage.
And thanks to Nick for helping out. Took 5 quarts, put it back in. Hopefully, I'm gonna...
I don't see any leaks.
Yeah, no leaks so far. Let's see if this keeps the oil pressure up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about how we got that damn thing off, just hit the comments below, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.